Hey friends, Birg here. I've got my ginger ale in my cute cup today. Isn't that adorable? All right, I got that off of Gift Mailer. Okay, y'all, I have been waiting to open this. It is an entire box of ice cream themed planner stickers. Let's see what's inside before it melts away, right? Okay, isn't this adorable? This is my Hubman and Chubgirl Ultimate Subscription Stationery Box. It's ice cream date. If you didn't get the Ultimate Subscription Box, that's okay. They do sell, I believe, some of these stickers on their site, so you're more than welcome to go and grab some. All right, now let's open this little cutie up and see what it looks like. Isn't this adorable? Okay, now I have, in all fairness, I did peek a little bit, but I haven't opened anything, so, all right, look, it says, it's happy planning time. Look at these adorable little ice creams. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, so that's the theme. This was the July subscription box, so we'll see that later. Okay, now, this is what it comes. This is how it comes. Isn't that cute? All those adorable little things. Oh, I can't wait to see all these. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my, how cute is this? Look at that. Okay, we'll get to that later. All right, let's put this aside. But look at this, and you get all of this in here. So cool. Okay, just the coolest. I love it. Isn't this cute? Okay, so we'll get to this indefinitely in a minute. All right, now let's start here with all the different parts. You get so many things in the subscription box. Look at this. I mean, the subscriptions boxes are great. They're all themed and it's for a particular month, but you don't have to use that. You can get the month stickers from someplace else or from Hubman and Chubgirl, the plain ones, and add your own stickers. So let's start with the good stuff. We'll get to all of this in just a second. Okay, let's start with all the goodies. Sorry, let's start with this first. Okay, let's start at the very beginning, as they say in Sound of Music. Okay, isn't this cute? Look at this adorable little enamel pen. And as I always say, I've got to figure out something to do with these. These are just sort of collecting in a bin. I'm thinking display it, maybe a cork board and we put them up. I don't know. I'll come up with something though. What do you guys do? Put in your comments what you guys do with your little enamel goodies like that. Okay, so that is cute. We can't go without that. Now this is really, really cute. These are the two adorable washi tapes. Aren't they cute? So it's little sprinkles and ice creams, and then the pandas and the ice cream carts. They're holding things. I don't know if you can see these really well. But these are so cute. Isn't that cute? Just adorable. Okay, so that's a good look at the washies. Now, these are the 5 die-cut vinyl stickers. Let's open these up. I cannot wait. This is adorable. And we haven't even gotten to the rest of them yet. Okay. I love all the pastel colors of this set. It's so pretty. Even the browns are just really cute. And this will be perfect for next week's spread. Oh, look at how this one is so cute. Okay, we've got this little guy. I love this with the 2 ice creams. And then we've got this little girly girl, and she is just one of your ice cream people. And look at how cute this is. Kind of looks like Polo. Anyway, so cute. I love it, the ice cream eating, and this is cute where the ice cream's bigger than their face. How cute, oh my goodness. These all give you kind of ice creamy, sprinkly vibes, don't they? Okay, so let's spread those out here so you can see them. Isn't that cute? All right, okay, so those are the die cuts. Now, in these, you get your vertical kit, which is great, and then you get your Hobonichi Cousins kit, okay? So let's do the Cousins kit first. We'll do that. Oh, I don't have on. I have a new microphone and don't have it on today. I need to get that. Okay, so here is the Hobonichi Cousins monthly kit. I hope you can see it. Isn't that cute? You've got your trackers and your month tabs and then your day tabs and just some deco boxes. You've got some appointment boxes, or you could use those as header boxes, and you've got some little hearts. And then we have got your labels. So you've got the bill due things and payday, and you've got your icons, which are adorable, appointment boxes, day off this month to do, those sorts of things. And then over here on the washi, and I don't know if this is going to come out well or not. Maybe you'll turn them like this. You've got your panda heads. Isn't this cute? So adorable. This is just cute. Okay, that's your washies. Then you've got your adorable deco boxes. and then some more headers. They've got a lot of headers on here. Aren't these nice? So you've got all kinds of different things like to do in laundry or work, groceries, don't forget. Oh my goodness, that's a cute one. Oh, with a little ice cream on the head. How cute. These are the most adorable colors. I just like the colors. They're pastel, but they're a little bit, I mean, I love it. They're kind of different. You wouldn't think that these would look great. Look at the pastel brown. I mean, who would think that brown would look great pastel? Only Hubman and Chubgirl. They know how to do it, don't they? Okay, cute. All right, you've got your appointment boxes, tons of those. Some of them have the little icons on them of the panda bears or the ice creams. Aren't these cute? I'm not holding them up very well. Okay, there you go. And then we've got this page. It's got your weekend, and the weekend has, look at how cute, the one that's holding the 2 and the one with the ice cream on the head. And then you've got these adorable headers here. Aren't those cute? Okay, I'm just gonna run it down like this. You can see, you got some more panda heads and some ice creams here with a different color background. Lots of name, you got a name thing. I mean, you got, not name things, you got day things here with the little ice cream icons. You've got your trackers. Isn't that cute? Now this is interesting because I'm gonna show you this one. There's a little gap here, and these are 2 stickers. There's one and then this long one. So isn't that neat? That's something I haven't seen before. Okay, now you've got the weekend, more weekends, and then more trackers. Isn't that cute? Just adorable. You got another little header and lots of days. So these can be used. The great thing about these is you get so many stickers that you can use these for way more than just one setup. Okay. Okay, so now let's do this. This is your vertical planner box. It's kind of hard to see with the glassine bag on there, right? Or the, what are these? These aren't glassines, these are vellums or something. Okay, acrylic bags maybe? I don't know. Anyway, so here we go, another ice cream. Oh my goodness. These are just the absolute cute. Okay, so this one is the vertical planner. If you have any kind of vertical planner, you can use these. Also, the cousins you can use in any vertical planner, honestly. They're 1.3 across. Most of the vertical planners are like 1.5, so, you know, they'll have a little edge, but not much. It's fine. Okay, so look at this. Oh my goodness, you have the deco boxes, and then you have those cute little pandas with the different ice cream setups, and then this one is so cute. This will be great in the empty boxes, and then you've got several headers, okay? Just adorable. And then these are your appointment boxes. You've got lots of choices in the colors. They even got a cream one, which will be pretty. Almost is the color of your paper, isn't it? And they've got the icons of the pandas, the different pandas, and they have got all the pandas. I don't see the one. Yeah, there's the one eating ice cream. And then they've got the different ice creams too. And then here they are, and they each have their cart, and then they're standing out front of it. And then you've got bigger panda heads and ice creams for these appointment boxes. And then you've got the ice cream here, okay? Can you see that? I'm hoping I'm getting this well. Okay. And now you've got some more, you know, your check-off boxes. You've got the actual boxes. These are just lines. I love to use these if I'm going to do time, like time blocking. Those are great. Here are some more trackers. You should be able to track everything you need. There's bills due, thankful, don't forget. And here's a couple little tabs even. And you've got your dots. Okay. Now what's next? We've got the weeks with all the pastel colors. We've got the numbers and the weekday covers. You've got weekend, and those have got the little ice creams on either end. How cute is that? And then your to-dos have got 2 more bears, the ice cream eating one and the one with the face covering, to-do list. So you've got 6 of those. That's a great amount. So you're not gonna, and look at this. These, like I said, these are the great things about these Hubman and Chubgirl subscription boxes and vertical planning. If you do the whole kit, you get multiple of these. So, you know, you can do, I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks just from this. Okay, just from this. So if you have a journal and a health journal and, you know, you want to do, you know, a reading journal, all of these things you could do in 1 month, or you could spread this out over several months and use them. And then you even have more boxes too. Okay, so that's the vertical planning. All right, so now let's look at this. So you always get, this is their sticker stationery set. It's their variety sticker pack. I believe you can buy the variety sticker pack online. You can buy, I know you can buy these individual, like the planner things too. So it's really good. So to see all these things. You get them all in the Ultimate subscription box, but you know, these are the different parts and pieces that you'll get in the other ones and online, just buying individual pieces. Okay, so isn't this adorable? All right, y'all, I've got to come up with something to do with these backs. Aren't they cute? I mean, these are just the cutest things. They have the best little ones. Okay, now, look at this. These are absolutely perfect. They have got a little touch of glam on them with the little foil, the pink foil. It's all the different ice creams. They all have faces, every single one of them. They've got some sprinkles. Isn't this cute? It's giving me sprinkly vibes. And then, oh my goodness. Okay, so look. So this, you can put like 2 ice cream tops on that little bottom. Isn't that cute? So they got the waffle cone and the cake cone. Cute. These are washi type things, okay? And then, look at this. Okay, so now these, how cute are these? These are postcard looking, but won't these be cute on like a monthly dashboard or something? Isn't that cute? You could just do all kinds of things with this. Okay, so let's put that one down. This is great. It's a holographic one. This would be cute on your computer, wouldn't it? Yeah, okay. Or like on the top of another journal. This is absolutely cool. Okay. Or, you know, what if you put it in the middle of your dashboard and then put stickers and things around it? Okay, so this is great. These are the little ice creams. I'm going to take these down because I think you can see them better. These are the little ice creams, the different pastel colors, and they have the different faces. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. These two look a little mad, don't they? Okay, those are adorable. Oh, they've got them down here too. Okay, so there they are. Each little one has the different faces, so each design has the different faces. Okay, now these are the washis, and these turn out, I used to not know what to do, but these work well in your planner. They show up so nicely, and they look great in your planner. So these are great. Those are cute. Okay, and then they've got the Polaroid one, and that has got another little touch of glam with the pink foil outline. The picture's outlined, and the outline, the outside of the picture is also outlined. So those are cute, and they're in their different trucks. Isn't that cute? Okay, so that's that. Now, let's not forget, you get this as well in the Ultimate subscription pack. And again, you can buy these separately online, so you're not missing out if you didn't get the subscription pack, okay? So, let's do this first. I like these. We'll get to those in just a minute. Okay. Here we go. You've got your July. This was July. Remember I said this was the July, but look at how many monthly tabs you get. Isn't that cute? And then you get more July. Let's just do it this way, huh? And so look, you can get these bubble names without the side things on them and just add your own. Or you can just find some more. There's plenty of companies have those. Okay, so these are more, think about this, more things, day covers, more day covers. You get another monthly set of covers and day covers for that. You get another number set. So you can do, like I said, you can do lots with this. Okay, I'm just gonna slide these back in there and make it easier. All right, now let's get to these cuties. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right, so we've got the ice creams, all different types. There's the single scoop, there's the triple, and they all have faces. There's the triple in the cone. You've got a sundae looking thing, and then you've got just the individual ice creams. How adorable are those? Okay, and then they have got the ice cream trucks, the different versions of the ice cream truck with the spilled ice cream or the regular, and this says ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. And these are cute. They've got little faces on there. I just love their stickers. How cute is this? Okay, now you've got the carts. Cute. And then the little ice creams again, you could put one down here. How cute are these? The different types. You've got the push cart here, the regular standalone, and then there's the bicycle one. What in the world? How cute are those? And then, oh, you get a whole thing of little pandas. Okay, so you get the panda with the little ice cream holding it. Could you eat all that ice cream? Wouldn't that be amazing? Okay. I would be 400 pounds if I ate that. Okay, so here's the little guy munching on the ice cream. Isn't that cute, little girl? And then you've got another one with the ice cream. It covers her face. How cute. And this looks like a Neapolitan, and it's got the sprinkles. That's a cute one. That we haven't seen. Isn't that cute? Okay. Now, you got more. Okay, now look, isn't this hilarious? So she's got the spilled ice cream on her head, but look, you can have some more down beside her, or the same thing here, or down here. And then you've got the little brown, pastel brown, pink, and white. And then you've got the holding of it. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. These are just the greatest. Okay, so that's that. So you get 5 of those, if I'm counting right. Okay, now, all right, so let's go through this. Okay, oh my gosh. Look at this, this is adorable, but we'll get to it. Oh no, it ripped a sticker off. Okay, this is adorable. We will get to this in just a second, I promise. I promise we'll get to the sheet. Let's do this one first. Okay, so this has sticky on it. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. All right, so this is the little kind of gifty thing you get, and I thought we had, let me look, because I think there's some other things in here. Okay, so this is the pad of paper. It says, don't forget. You know, you could take this and glue this into your planner. You could put it beside your planner and write your to-dos down for the day. Isn't that cute? It can just be anywhere. So, and I think it's probably 10 to 20 sheets. I don't know how many it is. But anyway, we're just guessing there. Don't hold me to that. Okay, that's adorable. But I thought, there we go. Okay, I kind of got rid of these. How cute are these? We're getting to this, I promise. Just a second. Okay, so look at these cutenesses. How cute are these? These are your extra things you do get with the sub box. I don't know, and this is extra that you get with the sub box. I don't know if you can buy these online. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, now look at how cute these are. Oh my, you have got all those cute ice creams. You have got a little ice cream carts, so cute. And then you've got the 3 different pandas. And then let's see, it says ice cream. Okay, no signs yet. Okay, so we've got carts, ice creams, and just 2 pandas, but they're the same style on this one. Cute. And then you have got 2 pandas. That's so cute. I love that one. And the one eating, that's one of my favorites. You've got the floats and the sundaes and some popsicle looking kind of ice cream on a stick. You've got a couple of carts. It's just sort of a variety of things. Isn't that cute? Just adorable. Okay. Now, then you get a card from Hubman and Chubgirl. See, Chubman and, this says Chubgirl and Hubman, but the company is Hubman and Chubgirl. So anyway, that's confusing, but that's okay. So it's just a little note that she gives you with each thing. And then look at how cute that is. That's another cute card. All right, y'all. What are you going to use these for? They're adorable. We got to start using those for something. Okay, y'all. If you love seeing all these stickers, make sure you come back Monday because I'll be using them in my ice cream party weekly spread. It is going to be so fun to set all these up together. All right, and I'll link that in the description below here once it's live, okay? I'll be linking it down here when it's live. All right, we wrap up. I've got a little insider tip. I also have my Peach Please bundles. This is the ultimate bundle in my shop, Gift Mallard, and it's got exclusive stickers, and then it's got plus a peach tree recipe card. You know, this is just like planner stickers meet Southern hospitality. So I'm gonna link these below just in case. All right, friends, this was an absolute sugar rush. Now, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the ice cream party spread next week, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. I know you have a lot of other things you could be doing. So thanks for spending time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.